Hi everyone! If you want the yummy taste of nice lovely baked potato, this recipe for you. I'm going to use 2 medium potatoes. Break the potato all over with the fork. This will let the steam over and keep it from popping. So, put in the microwave for 5 minutes. And this cook time based on my microwave, which is 715 watts, so your cook time may vary. Then turn it over and cook for 2 more minutes. Depending on the size of the potato, this step may take a little less than 2 minutes. I often eat this potato with butter, salt and pepper, sometimes with garlic and cheese, sometimes with sour cream. Okay, it's done. You can serve the potato any you like. Thank you for watching and see you later.